Today, I'd like to take a look at the one box or one virtual machine on the VULNhub, which is KB-VULN 3. And also, I will put the link into the description section so that you can download the image. Without further ado, let's get started. To save the time, I have already imported into the VirtualBox the IP address of this virtual machine had been identified as 254. And also scroll down a bit. As you can see, I have already completed the Nmap scanning. Of course, I have already done the comprehensive Nmap scanning, and also do the scene scan and the version scan and the script scan, and do the complete ports scanning. And from the Nmap scanning result, we can know there's 4 open ports. The first one is SSH service, which doesn't have any vulnerability, and the second one is 80 for HTTP service, and the next one is 139, and the next one is 445, which runs Samba. So I think the first thing we can do is to connect to the Samba service by using the tool of SMB client. Yeah, I think we have already got one share name, which is files, and we can access this share. Specify the current password, and we got the one file, one compressed file, and we can download this file to the Kali Linux. And let's quit. And now we have already got this compressed file, and we can decompress this file. But it's encrypted. We need to decrypt firstly, okay? And then we can use the to jump to convert this file to the hash, and then use the John Reaper. Because we have already I have already cracked this file before, and we can show. Sorry, and we can. We can show the password. On left, Pochman. So this is the password, and now we can decrypt this file with this password. We can copy and paste into here. Yeah, and now we can. Yeah, we got some one file and one directory read, and we got the username and the password, and also says your website is activated, and this should be the host name. So we need to put this host name into the host file. As you can see, because I have already done this box 7 minutes ago, I have already put into this file with the host name and its corresponding IP address. So let's quit. Okay, now we can launch our browser and visit this. Oh, sorry, we need to visit the hostname rather than the IP address. KB. Oh, sorry, we need to. Okay, now we got the page, and this is a site Magic CMS content management system, And here you can see there's one link, and we just log in. And because from this file we have already got the username and password. Password is Jesse, and we can put the username as admin, and the password is Jesse. And let's log in. Okay, no problem. And we can, of course, the next thing we need to do is to find the location where we can upload the shell PHP code. And before we do that, I have already prepared this file, the shell PHP code from the Pentest monkey cheat sheet. Let's contact this file. This is very standard, a reversed PHP shell code. The only thing what I do or modify is the IP address part and the port number. Okay, and now we need to find the location or the address where we can upload this file onto the targets. And you can see, I think you can immediately identify the location, which is files, and then you can see we can upload this file like backgrounds, and we can upload the file and browse shell. Yeah, file uploaded. So this target doesn't have any sort of filtering, so it will be very easy to upload our shell.php code. And let's close this window. And now we can, of course, we need to first set up the listener. And we can visit this file. Of course, the directory, the first layer of a directory is the files and the images and the background. And we can, for example, like HTTP, KB, hostname, and the files. And then, oh, sorry, where? Yeah, images. Images and the backgrounds and the name of our reverse shell code. Let's run. Yeah, we have already got the shell from the target, and we can make this shell interactive by importing module pty and pty. Yeah. So we can go to the home directory, needs the content, and we can go to this user's home directory, and we got the user flag. And I think we can, for example, like find, of course, the next thing we need to do is to elevate our privilege to root users, right? Root user. And I think we can, for example, like find the files with the SUID bit, and specify the type as a file, and redirect error to the long. Yeah, as you can see here, we can, this command has SUID bit, so maybe we can use this command to escalate our privilege. Now we can head over to our reference website, which is GTF Obians, which is very wonderful website for us to do this job. And we can go to the SUID section. As you can see, we need to create the service file, and then link this file, and then enable and start this file, and then we can get the root privilege. And to save the time, I have already prepared the service file. Let's, as you can see, this service will try to spawn a new reverse shell, of course, which should be a different port number. And now we need to upload this file into the target. And now we can go to the temporary directory. And we need to first to set up the HTTP server by Python. And we can wget no problem. And then maybe we can open up a new tab and go to our working directory, and we can first set up the listener, which is different from the original port number. Now we need to make a link, okay, and bin systemctl link, and we should specify the absolute path. Yes, shell service. Oh, I misspelled the name of the directory name, which is not a temp. So we can do it again. Link tmp shell. No such a file. What's the problem? Bin systemctl link. Let's go to our reference website. Yeah, I think it's correct. And we can temp no such a file. So maybe we need to move this file to the website directory, right? And then no error, and then we can start this service by start, and we should get the root shell. Yeah, now we have already got the root shell. We can confirm, and we can go to the root directory, and we got the root flag. So that's all I'd like to demonstrate in this video. I hope to see you in the next one. If you like it, and if you enjoy some bits of the video, please subscribe to my channel. Please leave the like below the video. Thank you. Bye.